proud of who you is. Cause every man have him life to live. And no matter when nobody wants it, me still a go be me, this young dirty maga piece of freak.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So it's currently 7 p.m. and I'm alone at home. Today is actually Friday and it's my weekend to be alone at home because we do changes, Dad and I. So I'm alone at home this weekend and I just want to do a little unboxing with you guys and a little of what I do at night before going to bed. Like my hair is not in order, I will have to do my usual before I go to bed with my hair. So I have already unboxed it though. I say why not come and show you guys. See how this piece is so calm, no noise, nothing. You really need this time out as a mom. So I actually got this. This is a vacuum. It's a two-in-one. It is like this, and you can have it as small as this to your chair, your bed, and everything. And this one is for your rug, your carpet, and so I saw this on promotion for $79.99, which is €80, and I wanted it because it has been 2 days that this promotion is actually out, and I really do wanted this for my bed because the head of my bed has been dusty and I do not know. I have been doing it with my hands and I'm tired, so I actually need this vacuum to do it. And going to get this thing, there was actually one left and this one was the last one. I thank God because I got it. The promotion is going so fast. So this is the book on how to use it. I actually unboxed it because it was low on charge, because it's a chargeable one. Here's the charger for it, and yeah, it's a 2-in-1. Can also be used as a hand vacuum. See, so this is it. This is the part that you charge. You take the end of the charger and I think you push it there and you plug it. So this is it. Comes like this. It's quite light though. It's not heavy. It's very light. I just have to be careful with my kids when using these things because these children can destroy something for you very quick. And it comes with this long part, so you can be standing and using it at the same time. So I think that this one goes in there, yes, like this. So this is it. And let me see if I can turn this camera to show you guys. So it's actually like this, and you can just press it there, and you can also leave it. So see, there's a light in front. Okay. So I don't force myself. So this is it for this vacuum. I really do needed this for my bed because this thing is really helpful. I need this, and it's affordable. I got it at an affordable price, and it has the warranty for 2 years. So oh, you can actually remove this. is the charging part. So you can actually remove it like this and charge only this, and maybe it with this. This is the part where all the dirt enters, so you can actually open it and clean it. So I'm gonna be trying this, but not tonight. So this is it, guys. I will get used to it definitely when I'm using it. So it came with an extra brush like this, an extra brush, and it also came with something like this. I think this is to put on the wall, and you can easily rest it on the wall without holding, so you can charge. Yeah, because it came with this also. So right now I'm gonna be doing my usual in my hair for me to go to bed for tonight. And so I'm gonna be putting big plaits in my hair. I can't go to bed like this. Well, at times I do go to bed like this when I do not have the time, but tonight I'm gonna fix my hair for bed. So this time I'm gonna be using the soy oil, like this, the soy oil. Because I don't want to go out tomorrow, and this will make it quite much more easier for me. So I'm gonna be giving myself some big plaits. I'm going in with my Blue Magic, and I'm added some oil inside of it. It's just for my scalp to stay hydrated, because my scalp is very dry. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do some big plaits in my hair. If you see, I'm looking this way because the mirror is just in front of me. Everywhere is so peaceful and quiet without the kids around. See, sometimes you deserve a little time off your kids. They are mine, but I deserve some time off them. So this is it. I'm gonna be doing the same for this side. I'm thinking if I should do 2 or 3. 3 or 4 I mean. Sometimes when I do not have the strength to do this, I'll just sleep like this. But just know that the next day I'm paying consequences of this. So this is it, and I'm gonna be doing the same to the back. Actually grew up where my grandmother usually do these fits in my hair at night for me to go to bed, so the next day it will not be difficult for me, knowing that my hair is very sensitive. In fact, my scalp is very sensitive. So, and I grew up with it, and till today I'm doing it. The only problem is that I trim the end of my hair, and I'll just be adding an elastic to it so that it will hold. Because if I leave it like this, it will just be a waste of time and my energy. So I'm gonna be putting the elastic at the end of it. I've been meaning to cut my hair for the longest time now, but my kids and the dad won't allow me. I think he likes women with long hair like this. So every time I say cut, this man will like, you don't have sense. And this is just the final results of this hair. This is what I do in my hair when I have time on my hands. This is the excess hair that I removed. It's just this. So now I'm gonna go for my shower. Besides, I have to clean on this floor because the excess of the hair on the floor is too much. I'll go for a shower now, guys. So thank you all for watching my videos, and thank you for stopping by my channel. And if it's your first time that you're stopping by, thank you so very much. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video, guys. I've seen you people watching my videos. Please leave the thumbs up for me. And please, guys, I'm begging you, do not skip my ads, because this ad we need it. So please tell me, what do you think about this vacuum that I got? If you know about it, tell me. Besides, the brand is Home Day. This is not the only product that I have in the house with this brand. There are others. So my toaster is actually a Home Day, and I have it for quite some time now, and it's very I bought it the same place I bought this one. So I thank you all for watching. Bye.